Happy morning, children. Welcome to the chemistry class. For this session, we are going to see the topic potassium permanganate KMnO4. Potassium permanganate oxidizing property. Oxidizing property. Potassium permanganate molecular formula KMnO4. So this molecular formula split into cation and anion. So it is split into K plus and MnO4 minus. Okay, so potassium cation. This one permanganate ion. So in MnO4, find out the oxidation state of Mn. So this one X. Oxygen per oxygen minus 2. So 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 equal to 1. So X is equal to 8. Okay, this one minus 1. So 8 minus 1. So 7. So Mn oxidation state is that is 7. So now write the electronic configuration Mn. Atomic number Z is equal to 25. Write the electronic configuration 3d5 4s2. Okay, in Mn that is plus 7. Write the electronic configuration. So before that write the noble gases, that is argon. Okay, argon 3d argon 3d5 4s2. Okay, in Mn plus 7 write the electronic configuration argon noble gas. Okay, next 3d plus 7. So 5 plus 2 7. So 3, that is 7 electron, it is last. So 3d 0 4s 0. Okay, so now Mn plus 7 3d 0 4s 0. Children, here it is not possible to remove any electron because from the 3d as well as 4s, that is no electron, but only it contains argon, that is the noble gas. It is stable. It is very difficult to remove this electron, but at the same time it has the possibility to add the electron. So add the electron means, okay, add the electron. It has the possibility. So add the electron means we know the concept, that is the reduction. Okay, so reduction means the species that is actors, that is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay, so now see the topic KMnO4, oxidizing property. So KMnO4 is act as a powerful oxidizing agent. So now you know the reason. Okay, so why we are saying this KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent, oxidizing agent. So this is the reason for that. So now you know very clear about this MnO4 minus. It acts as a powerful oxidizing agent, especially in that is a different medium. So different medium means one is acidic medium. Okay, so next one alkaline medium, and next one neutral medium. So in three medium, this KMnO4, it acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. So at the same time, this different medium to give the different product. That is, it is not give the same product. So we saw the previous video, that is acidic medium. For this, that is the session, we are going to discuss alkaline as well as neutral medium. Okay, children. So in acidic medium, the previous video we saw, that is Mn, that is O4 minus. Here MnO4 minus 2 gives, that is Mn plus 2. Okay, so in alkaline medium, that is MnO4 minus 2 gives MnO4 2 minus. This one permanganate ion. This one for manganate ion. Okay, so neutral medium MnO4 minus 2 gives, that is MnO2. Okay, manganese dioxide. So children, this one keep in your mind. So this is that is the key point. Okay children. Okay, so in acidic medium, acid. So acid means, that is we know, especially that is maximum we are that is using, that is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. So among these three, that is which one that is the suitable for, that is react with the KMnO4 mean the sulfuric acid. Okay, so HCl and HNO3, it is not that is a suitable one. Why means, now if maybe we are taking hydrochloric that is acid in acidic medium, mean it react with the KMnO4. So now to produce Cl2 molecules. Okay, so it is not suitable one. Okay, so next if we are taking as HNO3, now HNO3 it acts as a oxidizing agent. So this also it is not suitable. But H2SO4 with KMnO4, it is a suitable one. Why means, this H2SO4 it does not react with the KMnO4. In a textbook given, that is note. Okay, so go through this note and read it, that is line by line. This is a one word question children. Okay, so at the same time here MnO4 to Mn2 plus. Here what is that is the difference, that is 5 electron. This also it is very important. This also one word question children. So keep in your mind. Okay, so in acidic medium, so how did you find here? +7 oxidation state. Okay, so this one +2. So difference 5 electron. Here what about this Mn oxidation state? Here 4 2s are 8 minus 1. So +7. Okay, here 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 2, that is 6. Okay, so here that is 1 electron, that is difference. Here what about this MnO4? Here 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1. So +7. Here 4. So +4. So here the difference is 3 electron. Based on this also asking the question. So this also, that is in the book backside, that is a backside note column, it is given in the textbook. Okay, so calculation is given. So at the end of this video, I'm going to this calculation. So whenever study, you must concentrate this, how much, that is number of moles of electron it is required. So in acidic medium means 5 electron. So next one in alkaline medium 1 electron, in neutral medium 3 electron. So keep in your mind. So this is very important. Okay children. So now for this session we are now that is discussing the neutral medium. Okay. So in neutral medium, first we are discussing the parent reaction or basic. Okay, so MnO4 minus 2 gives, okay, MnO2. Okay, so now balance this. Here oxygen 4, here oxygen 2. So in especially in neutral medium, this is a general concept children. So keep in your mind, here oxygen 4, here oxygen 2. Which side the number of oxygen is more, that is add the water molecule. Okay, this is an easy way to remember. At the same time, the another one side, it gives OH minus at, that is double time. Here O, 2 oxygen is required. So 2 H2O. So this one for double times of, that is water molecule. So here 2 means, here want to write, that is 4 OH minus. This alone, please be keep in your mind children. Okay, so now we are going to balance the charges. Okay, so here 4 minus, here only 1 minus. So what about the difference? That is 3, that is electron. This is one way. Okay, based on the charges calculation, and another one way based on the oxidation number, that is this also it is possible to find out the, that is the number of moles of oxygen. Okay, so now here MnO4 minus, what about the oxidation state? That is +7. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1, that is 7. Here MnXl, so 1 oxygen minus 2, so minus 4. So this one minus 4 means this one, that is plus 4. So here plus 7 plus 4. So the difference is, that is the 3. Okay, so this is the parent or basic, that is the reaction. So in neutral medium MnO4, it is converted into MnO2. Now we are going to see the example, that is the illustration. Permanganate ion, it acts as a powerful oxidizing agent. So here, that is, we are going to see this two example. One is H2S converted into sulfur, and second one S2O3 2 minus. Okay, this one thiosulfate ion, it converted into SO4 2 minus. Okay, these two examples we are going to see now. So first one, H2S gives, that is sulfur. Now to find out the oxidation state of sulfur, here elemental state, so 0. Okay, so here hydrogen H plus, so 2 hydrogen plus 2, so this one for minus 2, so minus 2 to 0. So what about the difference? That is 2 electron. So write 2, that is electron. Okay children. Okay, so now see here, sometime that is how the confusion, this electron where want to write. Okay, this reaction is the oxidation reaction. So oxidation mean, what is the meaning? That is the loss of electron. So now electron want to write here. So how many difference? That is 2 electron. Okay children. So now gain of electron mean, want to write in this reactant side. So oxidation means, that is the loss of electron. So write in the product side. Okay. So now here hydrogen, it is not balanced. So now going to balance this hydrogen. So H2S. So how many? That is the 2. So 2 OH minus. Okay. So this side, that is water molecule H2O. Okay. So now H2, here 2. So 4. So this one 2 2s are 4. Okay, oxygen to balanced. So now write the parent reaction again. This is the parent reaction. Now that is combine and write the net reaction. So once again write this. Okay, so here, so write this again, that is MnO4 minus plus 2 H2O plus 3 electron to gives MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. Now want to, that is combine this two equation and write the net reaction. So this reaction we want to note both the electrons. Here 3, here 2. Okay, the condition both also it must equal. If it is not equal, that is multiplied with the opposite one. So opposite one means, for example, here 2. Okay. So now this whole equation, not only for this, the whole term, that is multiplied with, that is 3. Okay. So for this reaction, it is multiplied with the 2. Okay. Why we are multiplying means, see here 3 2s are 6. Here 3 2s are 6. It is balanced. For this purpose only, that is multiplying, that is, and next find out the net reaction. Okay children. And another one, this reaction is a redox reaction. So redox means oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So now that is number of electron lost and gain equal. For this purpose only, that is multiplying and write the next to find out the next net reaction. So now multiplied with the 3. So write this reaction. So 3 2s are 6. 6 OH minus plus 3 H2S to gives 3S. So 3 2s are 6 electron plus 3 2s are 6 H2O. Okay, for this reaction, that is 2 MnO4 minus plus multiplied with the 2. So 2 2s are 4 H2O plus 3 2s are 6 electron to gives 2 MnO2 plus 4 2s are 6 OH minus. Now that is going to write the net reaction. So now want to see both. the common factor want to strike out. Okay, so here 6 electron, 6 electron. Next here 6 water molecule, here 4. So here remaining, that is the 2 molecules of water. Next 6 OH minus, here that is 6 OH minus. Sorry, this one 4 2s are 8. So here 8 OH minus. Okay, so now remaining that is 2 OH minus. Okay children, so now write the net reaction. So 2 MnO4 minus. Okay, so next plus 3 H2S. So 2 gives 2 MnO2 plus 3S. Next one 2 H2O plus 2 OH minus. So this is the net reaction. Children, keep in mind, in a textbook given this equation alone, this steps it is not given in the textbook. Okay, but at the same time overall you can't able to study, so follow the step by step and study. But in the exam time want to write this equation alone, it is enough. Okay children, so now see the next example, that is S2O3 2 minus 2, SO4 2 minus. Okay children, so S2O3 2 minus, the compound name is thiosulfate. S2O3, this is the parent. Okay, so S2O3 2 minus 2 gives SO4 2 minus. Okay, now find out the sulfur oxidation state. So here that is 2x. So here 3 2s are 6, minus 6 minus 2. So 2x equal to 6 minus 2, 4. So x 4 by 2, that is 2. So now here sulfur oxidation state, that is plus 2. Okay, so here that is 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 2, that is 6. So plus 6. So now plus 2 to plus 6. So oxidation number increases. So this reaction is the oxidation. So now electron want to write here. So what is the difference? 4 electron. Okay. So now balance the sulfur. Here S2, but here S only one time. So multiplied with the 2. At the same time this also, that is 2 4s are 8 electron. Okay children. So now write the parent reaction. So what is the parent reaction? MnO4 minus plus 2H2O. Okay. So here that is write only for this alone. That is MnO4 minus 2 gives MnO2. Okay, at the end way that is the balanced. So write this alone is enough for here. So MnO4 minus 2 gives MnO2. Now what about the oxidation state? Because now find out the electron. How many that is electrons? Okay. So now Mn oxidation state 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1. So plus 7. Here MnO2 2 2s are 4. Okay. So now this one minus 4. So this one for plus 4. So what about the difference? 3. Okay. So write 3, that is electron. Okay children. So now I am writing here plus 7 to plus 4. The number decreases. Here increases. Plus 2 to plus 6 increases. So right here plus 7 to plus 4 decreases. So now writing here this is a reduction reaction. Okay. So we are saying this is the oxidizing agent. Now combine these two equation. So before that we want to note the electron, whether it is equal or not equal. Here 8 electron, here 3 electron, it is not equal. So make them to equal the number of electrons. So what happened? So now that is it involved in the multiplication. So multiplied with this steps, it is multiplied with 3. Okay, so this steps multiplied with the number 8. Okay, so now writing after this multiplication what happens? So 3 S2 O3 2 minus. 2 gives, here 3 2s are 6, SO4 2 minus. Okay, A plus 8 3s are 24 electron. Next this equation, that is 8 MnO4 minus 8 3s are 24 electron. 2 gives 8 MnO2. Okay children, so now which one is common? So strike out. So write the remaining. So what about the remaining? First 8 MnO4 minus plus 3 S2 O3 2 minus 2 gives 8 MnO2 plus 6 SO4 2 minus. Okay, now balance the reaction, that is balance this element. So here 8 Mn, 8 Mn, sulfur 3 2s are 6, 6 sulfur. Next you want to note the oxygen, 8 4s are 24 oxygen, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so totally that is 41. Here 8 2s are 16. Okay, 6 4s are 24. So 40. Here 41 oxygen, here 40 oxygen. Now oxygen 4, that is number increases. So here that is plus water molecule want to write. Okay, here write the OH, that is minus. Okay children, so here that is 40. So 2 OH minus, hydrogen 2, balanced. Oxygen already 41, this one 42. So both side it is balanced. Again children, textbook given this steps alone, this previous steps it is not given. So please be note it in your textbook. Okay children. So this neutral medium it is over. So in the neutral medium, MnO4 minus converted into MnO2. This MnO4 is act as a oxidizing agent. That means this MnO4 help, that is S2O3 2 minus to SO4 converted to SO4 2 minus. The next species make them to involve in the oxidation concept. So we are calling this substance as a oxidizing agent. Okay, so now we are going to see the next, that is the medium, alkaline medium. So acidic medium means in the beginning, that is my explaining, that is 3, that is the acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Among this H2SO4 it is a suitable one. So now we are seeing this neutral medium, that is add the water molecule. So in basic medium or alkaline medium means in the presence of, that is OH minus. Okay, so now see the topic, that is alkaline medium in KMnO4. Alkaline medium, MnO4 minus 2 gives, alkaline medium 2 gives MnO4 2 minus. Okay children, so here only the difference minus 2 minus. So now this one combined with cation. What about the formula? KMnO4. Okay, here K2MnO4. Okay, so KMnO4 means potassium permanganate. K2MnO4 means potassium, the compound name is potassium permanganate. Okay, permanganate, this one manganate. KMnO4, potassium permanganate. Permanganate. This compound name is potassium manganate. So maybe again if you have any confusion means I give one clue. Among this, which one is the highest oxidation state? Okay. So now MnO4 minus, what about the oxidation state? That is plus 7. That means 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1, 7. Here what about the oxidation state? 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 2. Okay, that is 6. So the higher oxidation state, we are using the word as per. So hereafter don't confuse children. Okay, permanganate, manganate. So among this, the highest oxidation state, we are using the word as per. Okay, so now MnO4 minus, it is converted into MnO4 2 minus. Now want to balance the element are balanced, but the charges it is not balanced. Here -1, here 2 minus. So what about the difference? That is only 1. This is the one way, and another one way based on the oxidation number. Here +7, here 6. So what is the difference? That is only 1. Okay, so here write that is 1, that is electron. Okay, so now okay, so next second step, that is MnO4. Okay, 2 minus, again it, that is dissociated to gives MnO2. Okay, so MnO4 converted into MnO2. Here oxygen it is not balanced. So here that is right there, that is oxygen. So water molecule. Okay, so H2O. So totally how many oxygen here? 5. Okay, so here that is OH minus H2. So 2 OH minus. Again 2 2s are 4 oxygen. So remaining only 1. So 1 oxygen. Okay, so this is the, that is the alkaline medium. MnO4 is act as a oxidizing agent. It is converted into MnO4 2 minus. Again it is dissociated to give, that is the product. Okay, so maybe this one it is possible, can be written, that is combine this two, we can write the net reaction. So now that is MnO4 minus 2 gives, we know the concept, that is MnO2. Okay, here oxygen 2. So which is side number of oxygen that is increases, here 1 to write, that is water molecule. So this side here 2 oxygen, so 2. So double times, so 4 OH minus. Okay, so next want to balance the charges. The element are balanced. Here 4 OH minus, here only 1. So here right, that is 3 electron minus. So this reaction, it is similar to the neutral medium. Okay, so this one also it is one word question. So alkaline medium, it is similar to the, that is the neutral medium also. Okay children, so for this session, that is we see the oxidizing property, that is neutral as well as alkaline medium. So now that is we are going to see the topic, that is another one, chemical properties, Bayer reagent. So this Bayer reagent already studied in 11th standard organic chemistry, that is the name reaction. Okay, Bayer reagents, Bayer's reagent. So what about the meaning of Bayer reagent? Means that is called, okay, dilute alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayer reagent. Called dilute alkaline KMnO4 is known as Bayer reagent. Okay, so now this, that is the Bayer reagent, that is it is helpful to fact, that is a test for, that is unsaturation. That means that is saturated mean the compound, organic compound contains that is the single bond. Unsaturated mean that is the double bond. Okay, now to find out that is the saturated or unsaturated. So this one it is very important, that is the test. So test for, that is unsaturation. Okay, so now what is the purpose of, that is a Bayer reagent? Mean that is alkene compound ENE. ENE means double bond. It is converted into di-OL. Di means 2 times. OL means OH. Okay, now that is going to see this equation. Children, in a textbook equation it is not given. So note the equation. Okay children. So now CH2 double bond CH2. Here 2 carbon. So write the root word eth. Next double bond. So ENE. Ethene. React with water molecule. Water molecule split into H plus and OH minus. So this one oxidation reaction. Condition. This write all the things. That is a cold dilute alkaline KMnO4. Okay. So now to use CH2. Now the double bond converted into single bond. Okay, so here add one group, this side, this carbon also add another one group. So one side add this OH group, next carbon also, that is add the OH group. This oxygen combined with H, so 2 OH group. So now double bond converted into single bond. So this compound name is ethylene glycol, okay, or ethane 1,2 diol, ETHANE, here must write E, 1,2 diol. Okay, so this is that is the one of the chemical, that is the properties in potassium permanganate topic. So this potassium permanganate, that is cold dilute alkaline KMnO4, is known as Bayer reagent. So using this Bayer reagent, now alkene compound converted into diol. Okay children. So last topic, that is see the uses of potassium permanganate. Okay. So till you that is come to the conclusion, it is a so uses of KMnO4 potassium permanganate. So now you know this potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidizing agent. So this is main one of the that is a uses oxidizing agent. Okay. So next one, that is KMnO4 is known as Bayer reagents. Now we can say this equation. So this one that is a test for that is unsaturation. Okay, it is helpful to find out. It is test for unsaturation. So next one, that is it is used, that is a treatment for that is skin disease. Okay, and that is a fungal. This is in that is the food. So treatment. It is used for treatment. And next one, that is it is used in the purification of water. Okay, industries. So next, in water contains some that is the iron and hydrogen sulfide. From this, that is the earth, that is the well water. Okay, so remove this hydrogen sulfide and iron. So potassium permanganate is used. Okay, so KMnO4 is used, that is the treatment or that is the removal of iron Fe and hydrogen sulfide from that is well water. Okay, so and next one, it is used the quantitative analysis. KMnO4 is used as the quantitative analysis. So quantitative, quantity, how much. So estimate. So estimate some, that is the compound. So compound means hydrogen peroxide. Okay, iodide, that is iodide compound. So next one, ferrous salt and oxalate. So this is the uses of KMnO4. Okay children. So thank you.